How to hide apps on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to hide apps on Android. Without further ado, let's begin. Suppose if you want to hide Instagram app, for that open settings. Once you access settings, scroll down. Navigate to privacy option. Select privacy option. Here you will find variety of option. Tap on hide apps. Now enter your privacy password. And once you enter the privacy password, you will get access to hide app section. Here you will see all your applications listed. Locate Instagram or any other app that you want to hide and turn on the bottom. When you tap hidden at top right corner, you will see Instagram listed. Also, when you exit this section, you will no longer find Instagram app on your homepage. So that is how you can easily hide apps on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.